How to reset your Alibaba.com password. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up to reset it. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. First of all, we need to head over to Alibaba.com. This is the following interface we'll be finding, and we can click on this option called sign in the top right corner and head over to another page. And this should be our interface. Now, if we want to reset our password, it is pretty easy. We can click on this option called forgot password and head over to the next page, and we need to enter the email or member ID associated with our account and click on continue. After that, what we can do is we can complete the verification, the code sent to our email or phone, and we'll be prompted to create up a new password. So just go over and create up a new password, and here enter up your new password. Once it is done, you can click on continue and confirm and login, and that way you should be able to reset your password. If you have not received the code inside gmail.com, you may head over and look out for your spam or junk folder. So look out for more and find spam and go ahead and click on it, and there make sure that your email and phone number is correct, and wait a minute and you can click on the option called resend to reset your password. And that's it. Use at least 8 characters, mixed letters, plus numbers and symbols, and do not reuse all passwords. So that's it everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.